Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn about adaptations of animals to certain habitats. The climate around us keeps on changing. In order to survive the changing climate, animals are equipped with special features which help them in their adaptation. This is especially important in case of animals living in extreme climatic conditions who have to protect themselves against the extreme heat or cold. Let us see how climate, habitat, and adaptation help animals to survive. As examples of adaptations of animals to climatic conditions, we will be discussing only animals living in the polar regions and tropical rainforests. Before we begin, let us recall what is adaptation. The presence of specific body features or certain habits which enable an animal or a plant to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. We will begin with the polar regions. As the name suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska. So let's begin by looking at the characteristics of the polar region. The polar regions have extreme climatic conditions. They have long, cold winters and the annual temperatures are mostly below freezing point. They are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. Animals such as polar bears, penguins, whales, seals and snowy owls are also found in the polar region. The polar bears are well adapted for survival in the polar regions. Their adaptations include a white appearance. Polar bears have white color which matches with its surroundings. Due to the white color, the polar bear is not visible easily in the snowy white background and hence its prey is unable to see it. The white color of the polar bear also protects it from its predators. The polar bear has double layers of fur on its body. This fur protects the polar bear from extreme cold by preventing the loss of heat from its body. The polar bear also has fur on its feet and toes. This protects it from cold when it walks on snow and ice. Polar bears have a thick layer of fat under its skin. This layer of fat insulates the body against heat loss and keeps it warm in the cold climate. Polar bears have a rounded body and small ears to keep the body surface area to a minimum compared to the body weight. This reduces the heat loss from the body of the polar bear. The polar bear has big feet or big paws to spread the weight of its body on the snow. They also have long, curved, sharp claws which can help it to walk and run on the slippery ice. A polar bear is a very good swimmer. The big feet or paws help the polar bear to swim well. Being a fast swimmer helps the polar bear to catch its prey in the water very easily. And while swimming underwater, the polar bear can close its nostril and remain underwater for long durations. The polar bear has a very strong sense of smell, and this helps the polar bear to locate and catch its prey or food. Penguins too are well adapted to the polar regions. Their white color helps them to merge well into the white background. They have thick skin and a lot of fat. This protects the penguin from cold. Penguins have webbed feet and their bodies become streamlined when they go swimming. The penguins have strong claws and short legs. These grip on the slippery rock or ice when they come out of sea. The penguins huddle together. They do this to keep warm and they nest in large colonies. This makes it easier to head out to sea together. This helps them fish for food better and avoid predators both in the sea and on land. Other animals living in the polar region include a variety of fishes, reindeers, seals, whales, foxes, and birds. While fish are able to remain underwater for long periods of time and survive the cold weather, the birds cannot do that. They migrate to warmer regions till the winter gets over. So what is migration? The process in which a bird or other animal moves from one place to another in one season and returns again in a different season is called migration. Migration of birds or animals is an adaptation to escape the harsh and cold conditions of their normal habitats in winter so that they can survive. The birds which migrate from very cold regions to warm regions in winter and go back after the winter is over are called migratory birds. One of the most common migratory birds, a bird which comes to India every year for a few months, is the Siberian crane. When winter sets in Siberia and it gets extremely cold, the Siberian crane flies and comes towards the warmer places in India. The Siberian crane then flies back to Siberia when the winter ends and the climate becomes favorable there. The reindeer is a mammal which migrates, and reindeers live in herds in cold northern regions of North America. During winter, when the snowfall occurs, all the grass and shrubs get buried in snow, and reindeers don't get any food. Due to this, the reindeers migrate to warmer regions in the south where they get sufficient food. They then return to the original habitat in the north after a few months when uh, when the winter is over in those regions. The tropical rainforests. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally very high. The days and nights are of almost equal length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, elephants, snakes, and insects. We will find a wide variety of plants and animals in the tropical rainforest. Scientists have documented more than 15,000 plant species, and biologists have estimated that the tropical rainforests contain about 50% of the world's terrestrial plant and animal species. The red-eyed tree frog. The red-eyed tree frog lives on the trees in the tropical rainforests. It has a green back and a creamy underside. It has big and bulging bright red eyes. The red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet which help it to climb easily on the trees on which it lives. The sticky pads on feet also allow the red-eyed frog to attach itself to the branches and leaves of the trees. The big and bulging bright red eyes of this frog are an adaptation for protection. If a predator wakes up the sleeping red-eyed frog during daytime, its big and bright red eyes pop open suddenly. The sudden opening of the bright red eyes frightens the predators for a while, and the frog gets enough time to jump to a safe place. The green color of the red-eyed frog helps it to hide within the green leaves of the tree unnoticed by its prey. This is called camouflaging. The red-eyed frog has very good eyesight, which helps it to see very clearly at night. It is a carnivore and eats any type of insects as food. The lion-tailed macaque. One of the most striking features of this animal is the large silver mane that frames its face. The mane helps keep the rain out of the macaque's face, which allows it to keep searching for food easily no matter what season it is. The lion-tailed macaque has a striking silver mane that protects it from the rain. Another adaptation is that they have cheek pouches. These pouches allow the macaque to store food for later while they are finding food. In addition, they have well padded bottoms. This is useful because they sleep wedged into trees in order to stay safe from predators. The padding allows them to do this comfortably and fall asleep without falling out of the tree. This animal mainly feeds on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers and buds. It searches for insects under the bark of the trees, and since it is able to get sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. The toucan. The toucan is a colorful bird with a strange looking beak. Its beak is rather long and large. This helps the toucan to reach the fruits attached to the ends of even thin branches of trees which are too weak to support its weight. Thus, the long and large beak is an adaptation in toucan for getting the otherwise unreachable fruits at the ends of very thin branches of trees. The large beak also helps in the temporary storage of fruits being collected by the bird. The feet of the toucan are adapted for grasping the branches of trees firmly. It has 4 toes or claws on each foot. The toucan has the ability to change the color of its feathers in order to blend with the surroundings. Due to this adaptation, the toucan is not noticed easily by the predators and hence remains safe. Elephants are adapted in a very remarkable way to survive in the tropical rainforest. The elephant has a long trunk which is used as nose, and it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk helps the elephant to pick up the food. It is also used for breathing. It can reach up to the branches of trees and pluck the leaves of the trees. It is also used for sucking water from lakes or rivers for drinking. The elephant possesses tusks that are used in tearing the bark of trees. It also helps the elephant to fight its enemies and protect itself. The elephant has large ears which help it to hear very soft sounds and can sense danger. It also helps the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the tropical forest. The feet of the elephant, they are large and round, and they provide good stability and also prevent the elephant from sinking into soft ground due to its heavy weight. Big cats like lions and tigers are also found in the tropical rainforests. These big cats have highly developed sense of smell. This helps them to locate their prey, and they also have very sensitive hearing. This also helps them to find their prey. The yellow-brown color of the lion and the yellow-brown color with black stripes of the tiger helps them to hide in the forest without being seen easily. The big cats have eyes in front of their head. This enables them to have a correct idea of the location of their prey. The big cats can run very fast. The high speed of running helps them in catching their prey. They also have long, strong and sharp claws in their front legs to catch their prey. And they have powerful teeth and jaws to kill the large prey that they catch. Let us quickly revise what we have just completed in this class. The animals in the polar region are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having special characteristics such as white fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of fat under the skin, wide and large paws for swimming and walking. Migration is another means to escape the harsh cold conditions. Now in the tropical rainforest, animals in the tropical rainforest are adapted such that they can eat different kinds of food to overcome the competition for food and shelter. Some adaptations of animals living in the tropical rainforest include living on the trees, development of strong tails, long and large beaks, bright colors, sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, ability to camouflage in order to protect themselves from predators, etc. So we have learned about how animals can adapt to survive in their habitats.